this is Amanda showing you how to do a wrap. A customer of mine wants me to do a wrap, and I want to show you how it works. First, you got to make sure your skin is clean. I used It Works cleanser. You not work out in it, and you don't eat in it. No toxins in your body besides water. You can leave it on 30 minutes or longer. It looks like this. You open it up, and it's like a skin product. The more you do it, the less you need to do. If you want tight looking abs by Saturday, say do it on a Tuesday and a Thursday. Drink lots of water while you're doing it. It's all about detoxing. It looks like this. You open it up. It's really slimy, and then I usually lay it on the table. I'm here at Flaunt Hair Salon. And it looks like this. You open it up, make sure the slimy part is on the outside, and it can be slippery. I'm gonna press this up. And then where it creases like this, it looks like a belt. So you lay it down like this, and then.
So what would something like this cost?
One pack is $25, or you can get 4 in a pack for, I think it's $49. So you get like 2 for free, like 1 for free. Right now I have a few wraps that are gonna expire, and I'm giving them away for free.
So I'm getting the expired version.
No, you're not. You're getting a new one. So it looks like this. And then I'm gonna set you down right here. This is my client. Guys do it all the time. Bodybuilders I've done, for shows, everything.
And she does fat guys too.
He's not that fat. So you put it on like this, where you want the abs. It's cold, and it's supposed to feel kind of tingly. And if you do, I would recommend using the Cleanse by It Works, or anything that's organic that doesn't have a lot of cologne or perfume in it, because even Dove soap will, yes.
Oh, there's where I need it.
Okay, even Dove, yeah, there you go.
Don't make that thing down there shrink. I don't want that. Just
Sure,
above.
whatever. And Dove soap will clog your pores too, because it has a lot of different chemicals that aren't organic. And when you put it on like this. I love to use Saran wrap because it stays on tighter than the green wrap we have. And then after that, you just take Saran wrap. It looks like this. And so put the whole thing out. And then you wrap it from the top down. And then when you can leave it on for 30 minutes, wear it under your clothes. It helps give good posture, or even after. And if you take it off and it still has stuff on it, you can fold it up and put it back on. Okay, I'm gonna have you put your hands up. I'm gonna kind of get this going. Yep, you got it. And afterwards, if you get the defining gel, that helps too. Or you don't have to. You can just the extra stuff that was on the wrap, you can rub it on. Make sure you drink. The more water you drink, please drink a lot of water. It makes a big improvement. If you smoke or drink alcohol, I would not recommend doing this.
What if you drank the night before?
It's fine. It's actually better to drink the night before than after.
Oh, I did.
Well, that's fine. It'll detox a little. And the more you do this, the less you don't have to do it. Like if you get where you're complete with your abs.
That's a double negative. The less you have to do it.
Yeah, the less.
Yeah.
The less.
Got it.
And then I like the Saran wrap because it helps stay in more. And you definitely have to take a picture before and after, because you'll notice a difference when you do. It's like when you look at yourself in the mirror all the time and you don't see a difference. So please, people say it don't work. It's probably because they're not using the right cleanser, and they're not drinking a lot of water. Water is important for everything you do with detoxing. We also have the Hydrate. It's electrolytes. Tastes like lemonade. It's just electrolytes, and that helps boost too your detox. And it's a powder form you put in your drink. New stuff, amazing. It's like helps you stay hydrated. And one more time, I like to do, because he's working after this, so he's gonna put his shirt on and go back to work. And make sure you drink a lot of water. You'll notice too, you'll want to drink water.
I will.
Yeah. Okay. Does that feel good? And there you go. He's ready for his 6-pack on the summer bod. Woo. So if you have any questions, you're welcome.
Feeling ripped already.
Yeah, it helps with your posture. And if you have any questions, please contact me on my website. It's amandasheren.com or herefitnow.com. And please like and subscribe below. Have a happy ab day. Woo-hoo.